Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the platform that fits your goal. Google Form is fast. Anonymous apps add privacy. Once done, create minimal fields, message and an optional name, plus a consent checkbox for submissions. Make sure to disable email collection if anonymity matters, and set permissions to anyone with link can respond. Test immediately by opening an incognito window and submitting a sample entry. This confirms both visibility and that required fields behave as expected. Move to customization after that check. Now you focus on the middle work, tailoring behavior and safety. You customize confirmation text so responders know you received the confession, optionally set a redirect URL for resources. Then enable moderation or response limits to prevent spam, and add email notifications or a webhook if you want real-time alerts. Once settings are solid, shorten and brand the link with a custom shortener for memorability. This helps sharing. Make sure to preview and simulate high-volume submissions to check quota and delivery. Finish by sharing the link where your audience expects it. Pin it or post with clear instructions and any rules. You should monitor responses, export backups on a schedule, and define how long you keep data for privacy compliance. If something goes wrong, first check permissions, public access versus restricted, then review form quotas, required field validation, and notification routing. One quick troubleshooting tip: recreate the form in a fresh draft to compare settings when an ambiguous error persists, and then reapply known good configurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.